So this is the uh, MLM transaction manager system that I've implemented. It contains of a database MongoDB and mongoose libraries used here. So there are five main collections named chief, customer, manager, product, and transaction. Uh, every customer every customer has a manager related to him, and every manager has a chief related to him. So after that, one API route is implemented, which is slash purchase, which validates and fetches the purchase data through middleware. Then after the data is passed to purchase product. So here's the middleware. At start, middleware takes the input of customer ID, product ID, and quantity. Then it validates the input here. Then the customer and product are checked if they exist in our database, and also the quantity is checked if available quantity is there in the product. Then check if the manager and chief data is correct in the database. After that, this information passed next to the purchase product function, where the managers and chiefs total earnings are calculated, which are 5% and 2.5% respectively. Then transaction is recorded. After that, the managers and chiefs personal earnings are updated in their collection, and the quantity is updated, and a confirmation message of transaction recorded successfully is given to the API call. And this is done through app dot. Now I will start the app. It started on localhost 3000. So how this thing works is, in this database I have these five current collections. So here in chief, currently we have two chiefs here. They have chief ID of 1 and 2. Then we have managers, five managers, where they have each have a chief related to them. Then there are customers in our database. Currently there are 10 customers. And then we have products. Currently we have five products, namely wireless mouse, Bluetooth headphones, smartphone stand, gaming keyboard, and portable chargers. So everybody has a ID with them. So what we will do is have a uh, where a customer, let's say a customer named Michael Brown, who have ID of 5003, purchases a two wireless mouse for himself, which have product ID of 2001. We will take quantity of 2. So what will happen here is, we will take is, this was a previous thing I was doing. So we have product ID of 1 and Michael Brown. So purchase will happen here. So as you can see, per transaction is recorded successfully. So you can see here managers and chiefs earnings are there in current transaction that happened. So the manager earnings updated. See here, earnings are 3 for the manager, and for the product chief, see earnings have become 4.5. Also the product we had, which was product number 2001, sorry, 20001. So we can see his quantity has also been reduced. It has become 48. Earlier it was 50. So that's it. Thank you.